Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today is December 20th. It's Monday, 2021. Went to Lowe's, picked up some items, and got a brand that I've only briefly seen at Lowe's recently, which is ONYX brand. And then I picked up some Cobalt and a couple other items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I did, like I said in the video, today is December 20th. It's a Monday, 2021. Went to Lowe's, picked up a couple items. We're going to move these to the side. And we're going to just quickly open these two. I grabbed two of these. And I probably actually should do these in separate videos because they're separate purchases. These two I purchased by themselves, but we're just going to combine them into one video. It's $57.97 plus tax, $4.52 in tax. It was $62.48. These two guys right here, they are $28.98 a piece. If I like these, I've never had any issues with Cobalt. Or, not Cobalt, but Irwin Vice Grip, I'm sorry. I probably said Cobalt in the description, or the intro. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I said Cobalt. These aren't Cobalt, these are Irwin Vice Grips, brand. These are part number Ingrid, Rose, Henry, Tony, 82636. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of dark. Let me brighten it up a little. There you go. Ingrid, Rose, Henry, Tony, 82636. I picked these up because they were $28. That's the main reason why I picked these up. These are really a lot like the Knipex version, or Knipex, however you want to say it, however you guys think it's pronounced, you know, it doesn't matter to me. I call them Knipex, but these are the smooth jaws, and the smooth jaw Knipex are well above, if I remember correctly, depending on the size. These are 10-inch. I think the 10-inch are like $59 or $69 from Knipex. Now, don't get me wrong, Knipex makes amazing tools. I have lots of their tools. I'm not complaining. I just figured, I don't know how useful this design will be to me as a mechanic. I'm sure it will be useful for lots of things as a plumber and stuff. Smooth Jaw helps provide damage-free installation to chrome or plated fittings. Ratchet up system for fast, easy adjustment is in confined spaces. Replace metric and imperial spanners with one convenient tool. Bi-material ergonomic handles helps provide comfort and control. Anti-pitch design says blue and yellow. The blue and yellow color scheme is a trademark for Irwin power tools, accessories, and non-striking hand tools for non-tile applications. Irwin lifetime guarantee. You know, these are used a lot in the plumber's trades. I do know that. It goes from 5/16 all the way to 1.5 inch. So these guys, they get pretty big. Pretty big. But I like how it levers. And Knipex has a pair similar to this where they lever up and down. And there's lots of oil. They were very well greased. I picked these up because if I like these, they're beautifully machined. The jaws are very nicely machined. Slide it up. Wow, just beautifully machined. It's not very often that you see pliers that have jaws that are perfectly straight. Is there any wobble? very, very little wobble. Look at that. Just enough wobble to allow the tool to function smoothly. But I've gotten DeWalt and even Milwaukee pliers that these jaws, right where the opening is, they were not straight. Like, they were literally cut crooked like this. So when both jaws come together, they're coming together at an angle. So they're actually coming together like this. But the angle is steep, so it's kind of like that. And it's annoying when you get something that has a crooked jaw. These are beautifully machined. And it's always something nice to see. You know, I've seen some channel locks that have had that issue where they were cut crooked. Get these guys out of my way. And a little NSA tracking tag. I'm just kidding. It's not an NSA tracking tag, but it is a theft deterrent tag. Magneto strip. Let's check these out. These are very nice and smooth. The button is nice and smooth. Well, these are a little different. These have a lot of play. Ooh. So you can see right there, it's not flush. These might have to go back. These are super sloppy. You can see the jaws don't line up. Just a blonde one right there. Should be able to see it. They are crooked. So these is what I'm talking about. The bottom jaw is thicker than the top jaw. That's one thing. It's a pet peeve on this one. The bottom and top jaws are the same size. So this one was machined a little bit off. They open up the same on the lowest setting. Yeah, they do. You know, I'll keep them. I don't think I'm gonna drive all the way that far. Yeah, see this guy is definitely loose. So these are a lot looser than these. These are just tiny amount, but they're nice. You know, I don't really think that the jaw being slightly crooked is really an issue. I've been picking up a lot of Irwin vice grip stuff. Lots of Irwin vice grip. I've got DeWalt, I've got Cobalt, I've got Milwaukee, I've got Crescent. I've got this style Crescent. I've got this style Crescent. HK Porter Crescent. Milwaukee. You name it. I've got channel lock in here. The channel locks, you know, these are beautifully machined. I'm not sure where my other channel lock pliers. Oh, I've got some other pliers in here. Here's some channel lock. Milwaukee, Carlisle, Klein, channel lock. But these are nice. What I picked up over here, though, because we're gonna just bring them into the video anyways. This is a new brand, and funny thing is channel lock is now being sold at Lowe's. While I was at Lowe's earlier, I saw a bunch of channel lock stuff at Lowe's, which is kind of pretty nice to see. It's pretty neat. But this is a brand that I've been only seeing recently at Lowe's as well. What's here? This is this receipt because it was a separate purchase. I walked back into the store because I'm like, you know what? I should go grab those because I actually saw these. Looked at them, kind of put them back, and I'm like, he walked out the store with my wife, and I'm like, you know what, I probably should grab those. My wife's like, yeah, don't you need a couple rubber mallets? So these are, they're on sale. All of these are $9.98. So ONYX Pro 10-inch claw bar. It's a nice claw bar, and I do like this has a hammer on it as well. Part number or reference number is Ostrich X-Ray Paul 083010. ONYX Unleash the Power Pro Series. Made in China. www.oxtools.com. You know, maybe I'll put that in the description below. But it's nice. You know, $9.98 for that guy. And then these guys, the rubber mallets, they're 24-ounce rubber mallets. They are $9.98 a piece. I grabbed 2 of them. These are very, very nice. This is an actual, it's not paper, it's actual properly made, nice looking, well, I wouldn't say properly made, but it's a nice little card that they attached with little pull chain. Trade Series, ONYX Unleash the Power, 24 ounce, 680 grams. It's got some nice weight to it. It feels nice in the hand. You know, it's got, oh, I need to turn this light off. There you go. It does have a little bit of discoloration, you know, a little blue here, a little blue and yellow, black. You know, it's not a big deal. They're going to be used as hammers. I picked up 2 of them for $9.98. It says Unleash the Power. The handles feel really nice. And it feels like probably a thermoset plastic. Feels really nice though. It's solid rubber. I don't know if... Okay, so the white side is definitely softer than the black side, so this is harder rubber. But I didn't really care, you know, what kind of splattering or anything they have. The price was right, in my opinion. You know, $32.28. These guys were more expensive than everything here. But I figured I'd give these guys a try. It's 250 millimeter or 10-inch. This is Pro Series. This one is Trade Series. We'll give them a try. I've never seen ONYX brand before, but it is new to Lowe's. Also, Irwin vice grips. You can't go wrong with Irwin vice grips. But, you know, these are nice. It is a shame that one of these is pretty messed up, not really machined very well compared to the other one. Quality control wasn't really looked at that day. You can see how crooked the jaw is. Yeah, the jaw is definitely crooked, but they'll get the job done. I don't have any, you know, where's the screwdriver handle? Here's the screwdriver handle right here. So, this is a Quinn screwdriver. It's got a flat shank. It grips flat nicely, even if the jaw is off. The jaw straightened as soon as I put weight on it. That is nice. Slide these up. And it's self-adjusting, so that is a nice feature. It does grip nicely, so I'm not going to take it back, even though it's messed up. I'm sure that I will use the crap out of these. Maybe I'll warranty it down the road. They do have lifetime warranties. It doesn't say limited lifetime. It says Irwin lifetime guarantee. Kind of hard to see. Ooh. There you go. So, any problems with them, I'll let you guys know. But just Couple items I picked up. If I really like these pliers, I'm going to end up spending the bigger bucks on the Knipex versions. There is a few things about the Knipex versions that I think are really nice. This one is also, just to show you guys, there's a tighter tolerance on this one right here. This pin is, it swings on this arc. It's actually tighter tolerance. This one, you can actually see a gap through it. So, this one was definitely machined a lot better. You know, look right here. You can see the orange table through it. There you go. There's some white. So, it's just not, this one's not machined as tightly, but it's not a big deal at all. They'll get used and abused on mechanic stuff. I do appreciate you guys stopping by though. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I have not seen these or any of this stuff at Lowe's before. Lowe's also started carrying a lot of Crescent, like these guys. I got these at Home Depot. When I picked these up Home Depot, I went to Lowe's that day as well, and they didn't have any of the Crescent stuff. So it looks like in the last 3 or 4 days, Lowe's has come out with a bunch of Crescent tools, which is awesome to see. So now you got Vice Grip and Crescent, Craftsman, and a few other brands there. So it's nice to see a little bit of competition. Should bring prices down a little bit, make it a little more competitive. But that's all I got for you guys today. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!